In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a UML diagram using Lucidchart. UML, or Unified Modeling Language, is a standardized modeling language used to visualize the design of a system. Lucidchart is a fantastic tool for creating these diagrams, and we'll walk through the entire process right now. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Lucidchart's website at lucidchart.com. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the Lucidchart dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space. You're going to want to look for the plus new button, which is often prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will open a new window where you'll have the option to select either a blank canvas or choose from a variety of templates. For the purpose of this lesson, you can choose either, but starting with a blank canvas may offer more flexibility if you're interested in customizing your diagram from scratch. Upon opening your new document, the next step is to enrich your workspace with relevant shapes. Over on the sidebar, you'll notice an option labeled More Shapes. Clicking on this will open up a menu of different shape libraries. Now navigate through these options until you find the UML library, which will be on the left side of the window. It's important to tick the checkbox next to UML to activate these shapes, thereby adding them to your workspace. Once you have the UML shapes added to your toolkit, you'll want to select Use Selected Shapes. This enables you to start creating your diagram. Now it's time for the fun part, drawing. Using your mouse, click and drag the shapes you need from the UML shape library onto your canvas. You'll find that you can adjust their sizes and positions according to the needs of your project. Feel free to experiment with different shapes, as each plays a pivotal role in illustrating different aspects of your system design. Through this process, remember to save your work periodically. Although Lucidchart usually autosaves, manually saving ensures you don't lose any recent changes. Don't forget to utilize features like connecting lines, color changes, and font adjustments to make your diagram clear and readable. These small touches can make a significant difference in how your ideas are communicated. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to creating comprehensive and visually appealing UML diagrams that effectively represent your ideas. Thanks so much for joining me in this quick tutorial. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master the art of diagramming with Lucidchart.